Good morning, everyone. How many of us wake up every day, rush to the kitchen, and just grab the first thing we see? Well, today, let's hit the reset button on breakfast. We're diving into the importance of starting your day with a nutritious, protein-packed breakfast even if you don't eat eggs. Yes, you heard that right. No eggs and still plenty of protein to keep you going strong. In the fast-paced world we live in, breakfast is more than just a meal, it's fuel for our body and mind. If you want to feel energized, focused, and ready to take on the day, it's crucial that we choose a breakfast that will give us the nutrition we need. Protein is a key player in this equation. We all know the typical breakfast choice: eggs. But what if you're allergic to eggs, following a plant-based diet, or simply looking for something different? Don't worry, we've got you covered with plenty of high-protein breakfast ideas that don't require a single egg. Why protein in the morning? You might wonder, why protein? Protein is essential for so many vital functions in our body. It helps build and repair tissues, supports immune function, and is a crucial component of our hormones and enzymes. When you consume protein in the morning, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you won't be snacking before lunch. But it doesn't stop there. High-protein breakfasts can also help you build lean muscle mass, which is especially important as we age. They also aid in the production of neurotransmitters that control mood and cognitive function. So when you start your day with protein, you're not only supporting your physical health, but your mental health as well. Egg-free, protein-packed options. Now, let's talk about what alternatives you can include in your breakfast to keep your protein levels high without eggs. Trust me, you won't even miss them. Greek yogurt. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, Greek yogurt. This delicious, creamy yogurt is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics that promote healthy digestion. A single serving of Greek yogurt can provide up to 10 grams of protein, depending on the brand. Not only does it support your bones with calcium, but it also improves gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being. You can enjoy Greek yogurt in many ways. Add some fresh fruit, a sprinkle of granola, or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. You can also mix in chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. The possibilities are endless, and it's quick to prepare, making it a perfect option for busy mornings. Nuts and seeds. Another protein powerhouse comes from nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all packed with protein and healthy fats. A handful of almonds, for example, provides about 6 grams of protein, while chia seeds deliver around 5 grams per 2 tablespoons. You can incorporate these into your breakfast by sprinkling them on top of yogurt, blending them into smoothies, or simply eating them on their own as a quick snack. Nuts and seeds also provide plenty of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Tofu, for those who are plant-based or just looking to try something new, tofu is an excellent source of protein. A 4-ounce serving of tofu can provide around 10 grams of protein, and it's incredibly versatile. You can sauté it with some veggies, add it to a breakfast burrito, or even blend it into a smoothie for added creaminess. Tofu can be a little bland on its own, but with the right spices and marinades, it can take on a flavor profile that suits your tastes perfectly. Try it with some soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for an Asian-inspired breakfast, or season it with turmeric, paprika, and a little salt for a more savory option. Peanut butter. Who doesn't love peanut butter? It's creamy, satisfying, and yes, full of protein. A couple of tablespoons of peanut butter provide around 8 grams of protein. Peanut butter is great on toast, in smoothies, or simply paired with fruits like apples or bananas for a healthy, satisfying snack. It's also packed with healthy fats that help keep your energy levels steady throughout the morning. But keep in mind that while peanut butter is a great source of protein, it can also be high in calories, so be mindful of portion sizes if you're watching your caloric intake. Soy milk. If you're looking for a dairy-free alternative to regular milk, look no further than soy milk. Soy milk is made from soybeans, and it's one of the few plant-based milks that contains a comparable amount of protein to cow's milk, around 8 grams per cup. It's also rich in calcium, vitamins, and minerals. You can use soy milk in your coffee, pour it over cereal, or blend it into smoothies. It's a great option for those who are lactose intolerant or following a vegan diet. Smoothies are one of the best ways to pack in protein without eggs. They're quick, easy, and can be customized to suit your preferences. Start with a base of Greek yogurt or soy milk, and then add protein-rich ingredients like chia seeds, hemp seeds, and even some spinach or kale for added nutrients. Fruits like berries, bananas, and mangoes not only add natural sweetness, but also provide antioxidants and vitamins that support your immune system. To make your smoothie even more filling, add a scoop of plant-based protein powder or a spoonful of almond butter. Breakfast salad. Who says you can't have salad for breakfast? A protein-packed salad can be a delicious and satisfying meal. Start with some leafy greens like spinach or arugula, and then top it with protein-rich ingredients such as tofu, chickpeas, quinoa, or seeds. Add some colorful vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers, and finish it off with a light dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of herbs. This savory breakfast salad will leave you feeling nourished and ready to take on the day. Protein pancakes. If you love pancakes but want to avoid the traditional egg-based recipe, try making protein pancakes using oats, almond flour, or quinoa flour as the base. You can also add a scoop of protein powder to the batter to boost the protein content. Top your pancakes with Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, or nut butter for a delicious and balanced breakfast. These pancakes are filling and will give you long-lasting energy throughout the morning. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great make-ahead breakfast option that's rich in protein. Simply mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and your choice of milk, soy, almond, or regular the night before. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you have a ready-to-eat, protein-packed meal. Add your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, nuts, or even a drizzle of maple syrup for a wholesome breakfast that requires minimal effort. Heart health. When you avoid eggs, you reduce your intake of cholesterol, which is especially beneficial for heart health. Instead, the protein-packed foods we've discussed today like tofu, Greek yogurt, nuts, and seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based compounds that support heart health. These foods have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and reducing inflammation. In addition, the antioxidants in fruits and vegetables help protect the heart from oxidative stress. Weight management. Eating a protein-rich breakfast can help you manage your weight more effectively. Protein is known to keep you feeling fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to snack throughout the morning. This can help you maintain a healthy weight or even lose a few pounds if that's your goal. Additionally, high-protein breakfasts help prevent the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating later in the day. This stabilizing effect on blood sugar makes protein-packed breakfasts an excellent choice for people looking to manage their weight or keep their energy levels stable. Digestive health. High-protein breakfasts made with whole foods like oats, chia seeds, and Greek yogurt also promote digestive health. The fiber in these foods supports regular bowel movements and helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Greek yogurt, in particular, is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support digestion and boost the immune system. These probiotics help balance your gut flora, leading to improved digestion and overall health. So there you have it, a variety of egg-free, protein-packed breakfast options that will fuel your body and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Whether you choose Greek yogurt, tofu, peanut butter, or a combination of seeds and nuts, these breakfast choices are all designed to give you the protein you need without the eggs. Starting your day with a high-protein breakfast is a simple yet powerful way to boost your health, support your heart, manage your weight, and improve your digestion. And the best part? You don't have to compromise on taste. These breakfast ideas are just as delicious as they are nutritious. I encourage you to get creative with your breakfast routine. Don't be afraid to try new combinations, experiment with flavors, and add your personal touch to these ideas. Your breakfast should be something that excites you, something that makes you feel good and ready to face the day. Try out these ideas, swap in your favorites, and have fun discovering new ways to enjoy protein-rich breakfasts that don't require eggs. Your body and mind will thank you.